You open the mail, look at your Comal County property tax bill, and your stomach drops. That high valuation is the county's initial estimate, and state law provides you a specific window to challenge it. To lower that number, you need to execute 3 precise steps: officially filing your protest online, building a packet of concrete evidence, and navigating the hearing room on the day of your appointment. Completing this process provides the evidence needed to override an automated government valuation with specific local market data. Locate your official notice of appraised value. To enter the protest system, you need to extract 3 specific administrative codes from this page: your owner ID, your PIN, and the property ID. You must file your protest by May 15th, or exactly 30 days from the mailing date printed on that notice, whichever date gives you more time. This window is absolute. Missing that deadline by a single day forfeits your right to challenge the county's valuation for the entire tax year. Hold on to that physical notice. Its arrival marks the start of the filing deadline, and the unique ID codes printed on the page are required to log in and pause the countdown. To pause that countdown, visit the Comal Appraisal District website and open the Taxpayer Online portal. On this login interface, plug in the details from your notice. Enter your owner ID and PIN here, plus your name, property ID, and address. When the system asks why you are protesting, select the option Market Value is Overappraised. This is the most direct and common legal route to a reduction. Finalizing this submission secures your place in line. The administrative clock stops, allowing you to focus on gathering the proof needed to support your claim. The Appraisal Review Board, or ARB, operates on strict rules of evidence. They only respond to hard, verifiable data regarding your property's specific condition and the local market. First, comparable sales. Gather quantifiable data on similar homes in your specific neighborhood that have closed and sold recently. Second, your own purchase records. If you bought your house recently, a formally signed HUD settlement statement showing the actual sale price is excellent proof. Third, photographic evidence. Take clearly time-stamped pictures documenting significant physical issues, like severe foundation cracks, roof damage, or previous flooding. On the left, structural damage. To prove the financial impact, pair that photo on the right with a current itemized contractor's repair estimate. Finally, provide copies of any legal deed restrictions or encumbrances on your property that directly reduce its true market value. Do not bring active real estate listings to your hearing. A listing is just an asking price. The board only considers finalized, completed sales data. Compiling these documents translates property flaws into objective dollar amount deductions that the board can legally verify. Now you must convert every digital file, photo, and PDF into a printed, physical format. Look at the graphic on the left. The ARB strictly bans presenting evidence on your phone. Digital screens cannot enter the official public record. You must arrive with 3 identical paper copies of your entire evidence packet, one for you, one for the appraiser, and one for the board. Correct formatting is a strict legal requirement. Arriving without printed copies practically guarantees a dismissal. On the day of your appointment, drive to the CAD headquarters at 900 South Seguin Avenue. Arrive a minimum of 30 minutes before your scheduled hearing time. That 30-minute window is an informal meeting with a CAD appraiser. If they agree with your evidence, you can negotiate a settlement right there. If not, you move to the formal hearing room to present your paper copies to the full board. If you are sending a friend or family member to present the case in your place, they must carry a formal written letter of authorization signed by the owner of record. This 2-stage structure provides multiple, organized opportunities to present your data and secure a reduction. You now have the full sequence: secure your place via the portal, compile data-backed proof, and print your mandatory physical copies. For more technical detail, find the Appraisal Review Board Hearing Procedures document on the CAD website to review the parliamentary rules of the room. Armed with verifiable data and the correct procedure, you are equipped to walk through those doors and seek a fair market valuation.